All right, if you get this notice, it's real simple to do. A lot of people are afraid because it has keyless go and all the other electronics, but really simple fix.
How you change the battery. I have a 2014 Plus Mercedes. All you do, this little tab here, you click that, the physical key comes out. You're gonna flip this around and you're gonna turn this key around and you're gonna just go in the middle here. There's a tab that you gotta click and you don't have to push hard, just push. You'll feel a little pop and this case falls out. I've heard of people doing different things, scuffing this back, trying to do this and just crazy stuff. You don't gotta do all that. Just, again, I'm gonna show you one more time. This goes like so. Just flip it the opposite direction, go in the middle, and it pops out. Battery is real simple. It's concave, meaning it's kind of inside. So I just use this little spudger tool for mono wrap, or you could use whatever you want. Just push, and the key comes out, just like that. I've already replaced it, just wanted to show you how to do it. And then you simply push it back in, and you're done. Push this in, voila, voila, and voila. That was helpful, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Magnificent, signing out.